Hey, this is a really good question. So how do you go about learning ethical hacking? Ethical hacking is one of those fields where there isn't a structured, clear career path. A hacker is someone that breaks into systems, and an ethical hacker does it for good. Now, to break into systems, you need to understand how systems and software are built. Systems and software are complex and they're made up of multiple technologies. Because of that, you actually need to know a wide array of different technologies and put them together, aka have them in your tool set to then break into systems. So, what are some of these technologies? So, I'd actually recommend checking out this website, offensivesecurity.com. They've been around for a very long time and they teach ethical hacking through a number of courses. They have a ton of courses around penetration testing, exploitation, and I took one or two of these courses a very long time ago. They also have a ton of certifications that you can work towards that prove that you've actually gone through the training. These aren't absolutely necessary, but at least it gives you an idea of the certifications on offer. Another one is called Certified Ethical Hacker. Google around for these, but hopefully this gives you an idea of what a career path looks like in cybersecurity. If you found that helpful, do give me a follow and also let me know if you have any other questions.